loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Payal, and so today I'm going to be reviewing the Hey Bud Australian Hemp Clay Mask. You guys must be thinking like, what the hell, like this girl reviews masks like every 2 weeks, so are we supposed to believe her or not? True. When I do my vanity tour or the vanity, like whatever, my makeup collection video, you guys will see I do have quite a lot of masks that I do try because I love them. Now, the mask that genuinely doesn't work, I'll just let you know that it like really doesn't do much. So this Hey Bud was sent to me, but that does not mean that I'm not going to talk shit about it if it's not good. I have combination skin. Sometimes it's dry during the winter months and sometimes it's extremely oily. Actually, I have most of the time hormonal breakouts, which is a sad thing, but I'm constantly, which is why I'm also trying masks. I keep reading about ingredients that are good in masks that help calm down the skin. When they asked me that if I wanted to try this mask, first thing I did was go into their ingredient list and like check out what they had. Then I separately Google them to find out, is it something that I want to try? Is it something that I want to put on my face? And basically that's how my masking thing goes. So today I'm sitting in front of you with absolutely no makeup and I have some lip balm, but on my skin there's nothing. So now what you see on my skin is literally how my skin is and what it looks like when I wake up in the morning. I will insert a few pictures that will be pretty nasty of my skin. It's pretty sad because I have been going through some hormonal breakout, like cystic acne, and they just don't like disappear overnight. It takes a long time. And so yeah, sometime during the video I'm going to post some absolutely close-up shots of both sides of my face without any filter, none of that, and you'll see what my skin looked like 4 weeks ago versus what my skin looks like, what you guys are seeing right now. We have had pretty long of an intro. Now let's just get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's just get into it. So this is what the packaging looks like. The back side says the ingredient list in detail. Now this side has the avocado oil, blah blah blah, like everything that's in this clay mask. Is the packaging. It is a plastic container. The Hey Bud thing is on top of this, so there's a lid onto it, and this is exactly what the product looks like. You can see how much I have used. It doesn't have like a very strong fragrance to it, which is something that I like and I prefer. I don't like my skincare having a very strong fragrance. It just irritates my skin also. I'm literally going to give you guys proof of my skin, which was before I started using it, which is 4 weeks ago, and to what you're seeing right now. And I have pictures to prove it. So then you'll know why I'm talking good things about this mask and why I usually like do a lot of mask reviews, because I love masks. I love clay masks. I want to find clay mask that like actually cleanses, purifies, and pulls all the gunk out of your skin. So this container has 120 grams of product. It retails for 2,160 rupees, which is a little steep for a mask, but you are getting a lot of product and actually works. You have to watch the entire video to know why I'm saying it. It tightens your pores, it removes your pimples, gives you glowing skin. It's vegan and cruelty free. Of course, it ships worldwide, and if you don't like the product, there's 100% money back guarantee. Now it has distilled water, cannabis sativa, which is a hemp seed oil. It has bentonite clay. So bentonite clay basically detoxifies your skin, and I always wanted to try the Aztec healing clay mask. The problem with this one was that it is like pure bentonite clay. There is nothing other than that. So I mix this with my apple cider vinegar and I use that, but you're only getting bentonite clay. This one just doesn't have bentonite clay. It has matcha green tea, it has kaolin clay, which is also really good for skin. Now the bentonite Aztec healing clay will really dry out your skin, like really dry out your skin, but has sweet almond oil. I mean, that is so nourishing to the skin. Once I used the Hey Bud on my face, literally my skin, I think, like, whispers thank you to me. And this one has aloe vera, has witch hazel. Witch hazel is like something that you can use as a toner as well, so it like helps in shrinking your pores and all of that. So witch hazel is amazing. Has goji berry extract. Now it has avocado oil. I think avocado and the sweet almond oil is what makes your skin silky, silky, silky smooth after you remove this off. This mask has vitamin C and vitamin E, and also hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is literally one of the best things. It retains moisture inside your skin like 1,000 times more. And literally the ingredient list is so clean. This is all it has. Let's get into the application of this mask. I want to show you guys the consistency of this. It's very, very sticky. So it's not something very runny which will go on to your skin very smoothly. It is pretty thick. Like, see, even when I'm applying, it's very thick. I don't know how some girls look extremely pretty masking their face, but I am not one of them. I look like a clown. Mask is very, very thick in consistency. This is how it has applied on the face. This feels very cooling on the skin right now, like, because it's wet. It is about 12:33 right now, so I'll probably come back on camera by like 1:15ish. So wait for the damn picture that I'm going to be inserting somewhere. You'll be scared at how inflamed and irritated my skin used to be. Alright, I am back. 12:55, so I basically kept the mask on for 10 minutes. It is dry. It is very pulling, so which is why I'm talking like an idiot. But alright, let's remove it. Now I have a makeup eraser cloth. I have completely soaked it in water, warm water. I'm gonna try doing it here. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna go to the sink. Okay, I think I need to wet this even more. Alright, so finally I can talk again because I completely wet my face, and now it's probably going to be easier. I literally love this makeup eraser so much, not just to like remove my makeup, but especially face masks and stuff, and mud masks. Grips it and like pulls it off. So I love that. My skin, after using this religiously, like I have used it like 3 times a week, because like in the picture that you saw that I inserted in the video, how troubled and inflamed my skin was, so I needed to use it 3 times a week to just like get rid of my cystic acne and like, you know, all of that, like bumps and everything. Basically I've gotten it all over my hair. Up of my skin, I do have these 3 marks, but in the picture, if you see it, like, it's worse. My pores seem so much smaller and tighter, like it's like tighter, and my skin feels like baby soft. Now I just washed it with my Clinique facial soap, which is that green little jar, and I'm going to just pop some vitamin C. This mask 3 times a week has literally cleared my skin, and is still work in progress. You guys will see. Vitamin C, you will never want to just leave it at that during the day, and you want to use your SPF. And drag your skincare down to your boobage. Literally. That shit ages too. Alright, all done. You guys can see how glowing and how fresh my skin looks, and literally I can't tell you how it feels. It feels so, so, so clean. I feel like the skincare also like soaks in much better when your pores are all clean and there's no buildup on your skin. And I totally would recommend that you guys give Hey Bud a try. I gave you a live demo of everything. Basically everything. If you want, you can just literally like take the ingredient list and Google it yourself to see how amazing they are and all the things that are inside, how amazing they are. So yeah, just try it. Also, another little pro tip, if you want, like, keep the mask in the fridge, because I love applying like cold mask to my face. It's just like depuffing your face at the same time. So just a little thing that I love to do. You don't have to do it, but I just like popping a few of my skincare in the refrigerator every now and then using it on my face. It just feels so much better. Okay, guys, that was all for this video. I hope this video has helped you in some way or the other, and if you are someone who has inflamed, troubled skin, or you just want to give your skin that extra boost of hydration, glow, and just basically taking care of your skin, you have to give this mask a try, and it will not disappoint you at all. Like, I vouch for it. So literally just give this mask a try. I'm going to link the product down in the description box, so make sure you hit that if you want to go directly to the link, or they have their, and also link their Instagram page if you are interested. And that's all, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!